Using a 24mm combination wrench, loosen and remove the lock nut from the previous inlet nipple kit. Take the new inlet nipple and check its correct orientation according to the arrows marked on the pump head. Then, thread the new nipple into the pump head, following the direction indicated by the arrows for proper installation. Install the O-ring onto the nipple. Next, attach the clip to the funnel and fit it into the lock nut. Then, secure the lock nut to the nipple, completing the inlet nipple kit. Now, remove the outlet nipple kit. Next, remove the ball guide located inside the pump head at the outlet port on the upper section. This will allow the O-ring and ball to come out of the pump head. Using a 5mm Allen key or a suitable tool, remove the O-ring from the pump head. With the previous O-ring removed, install the new O-ring inside the pump head. Use a 5mm Allen key or another suitable tool that will not damage the O-ring to properly seat it in place. Place the ball inside the ball guide and install the compatible O-ring. Then insert the assembly into the inside of the pump head, ensuring that it is properly seated. With the internal components replaced, thread the outlet nipple into the pump head, ensuring that the arrows are aligned in the same direction. Install the O-ring onto the nipple. Then attach the clip to the funnel, fit it into the lock nut, and finally thread the assembly onto the nipple. Remove the screw seals. Then, using a 5mm Allen key, remove all 4 screws from the pump head. Remove the pump head. Then, remove the O-ring from the pump diaphragm. Finally, install the new O-ring into the pump head of the dosing pump. Position the pump head with the arrow pointing upward. Secure the 4 screws in a cross pattern, tightening them evenly.